This SAT question tricks almost everyone. Don't analyze it. Just give the first answer that comes to mind. Where a man is driving to work at 40 miles per hour, drives back home at 60 miles per hour, what is his average speed for this round? If you said 50, your brain just lied to you. You just fell for the SAT's favorite dopamine trap, and it cost you 10 points. On the SAT, traps like this separate 700 plus scorers from everyone else. Here is why your intuition is your biggest liability on test day. The average student sees 40 and 60, add them up, divides by 2, and moves on, feeling a hit of satisfaction because 50 was choice C. But the SAT isn't a math test. It's a logic gauntlet. Think you spend way more time struggling in traffic at 40 miles per hour than you did cruising at 60 miles per hour. That slow time pulls your average down. The answer cannot be 50. It has to be lower. Let's look at the math through a lens that makes sense. Imagine your commute between home and work is exactly 120 miles. You drive to work at 40 miles per hour. So 120 miles divided by 40, that's 3 hours of your life gone. On the way back, you hit 60 miles per hour. 120 miles divided by 60, that only takes 2 hours. How to find the average speed? The average speed is simply equal to the total distance divided by the total time. Our total distance here is 240 miles, while our total time is in this round trip is 5 hours. Divide them and you get 48 miles per hour. Notice how the car stayed in the 40 miles per hour zone for an hour longer than the 60 miles per hour zone. That's why the average is weighted toward the slow side. The SAT counts on you ignoring the clock. But what if you don't have 60 seconds to do the easy number math? What if you have only 5 seconds? This is where the 1% use a specialized tool called the Harmonic Mean. The formula for the Harmonic Mean is, for any round trip with a fixed distance, your average speed is always 2 times speed A times speed B divided by the sum of those speeds. Let's plug it in. 2 times 40 times 60 is 4,800 divided by 40 plus 60, which is 100. The zeros cancel out and you are left with 48 miles per hour. No distance assumption required, just pure lethal efficiency. But be careful, this formula is a power tool, but it only works when the distance for both legs is exactly the same. Fixed distance. If the SAT changes the distance for the round trip, this formula will fail you. This isn't just a trick for a test. In the real world, averaging percentages or margins without weighting them is how companies go bankrupt. The SAT uses these problems to see who is a calculator and who is a strategist. If you want the score that leads to the $200,000 scholarship, stop doing math and start managing logic. Follow for the next trap. Thank you.